Hello everyone, it's Alex. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So today is a bonus video. I was waiting patiently for this video to get up because I've seen quite a few of my friends already post theirs yesterday. I just got mine in the mail about 10 minutes ago. I was expecting this to be here tomorrow, so I figured let me just try to get this up for you guys, especially since it was perfect timing because the baby is napping as we speak. So as you guys can see from the title, we're doing my Beautylish Unlucky unboxing. All right, so I'm a little bit nervous because the majority of the ones that I have seen have not been really good boxes, but that is the risk you take by purchasing these, and I am completely 100% aware of that, knowing how much I spent on it. So before we get into the unboxing, if you're new to my channel, welcome to the familia. My name is Alex. I'm an eyeshadow enthusiast with a dash of Project Pan. If that is something that interests you, subscribe, join us. And now without further ado, let's get on with the unbagging. All right, you guys, so here it is. I just unhinged it, whatever, untied the, cut the tape, whatever. I'm so tongue-tied and nervous. Like, I'm legit nervous, and I don't know why. But here it is. You guys know what it is. This is my third year doing it. I don't know, is third year a charmer? I always say that these type of products or things that they do, like these surprise yearly bags, I always say it's always good for those that do not purchase often throughout the year makeup, because that way you'll get your most value out of it. If you're the type of person that purchases throughout the year, often new releases and things, this is not beneficial to me. You're basically, unless you want duplicates, you're going to waste your money because you're going to get things here that you probably already own in one way, shape, or form. So I always say that, and I already have that in my mind, knowing going in here, because oh Lord, I know some people did not get great ones. Quite a few videos I saw did not get great ones. So I'm just going to unravel this sucker. I'm not even going to look in here. Let me just pull these out. We're just going to unbox, shall we? I know it's wrapped. I'm trying to close my eyeballs because I do not want to see what in the world I got. All right, so I'm just going to stick my hand in here. Let's see. First up is this, ooh, what is this? Holly Frog Superior Omega Nutritive Gel Wash. Interesting. Never heard of this one. So, you guys can see right there. Let's open this up and see what this is. This is a Superior Cleansing. What in the world? It's Balance and Refresh. Never heard of this. Interesting. A wash that deep cleans, replenishes, and tones all at once. Okay. Massage into the skin. So it's like a cleanser. I'm still stuffy in a way, so I don't know if I could smell this, but let's see. Shall we? I can't smell. I don't know why I even tried, but it's cute. Even the inside of the box is actually adorable. So I'll look into this brand. I'm not mad at it. We're gonna see, because it doesn't look like it's a natural brand. I do see some natural ingredients in here, but not all of them. So we're gonna see about this one. I will use it because that's one of the things I don't like buying is cleansers. All right, so we got this lipstick that everyone and their mom got in here. This is the Hourglass Ultra Slim High Intensity Refillable Lipstick. Here's the deal with this one, and I did mention this to a friend of mine. This originally, I think it's like $32, I think, but if you don't like the color of this, you could buy the color that you want as a refill for $22. So essentially, you can get yourself the color you want for 22 bucks versus the full price of this, because this is a refillable container. So if you want to find the silver lining to this, you can do that. I don't know what color I got. Looks like I got, does it even say it on here? Oh yes, I Can't Live Without You. That's the color. And oh, it's not a bad shade. I would wear that. It's like a reddish shade. It's actually not bad. Okay, I dig it. I'm not mad at it. I got a color that I would get use out of. Not a lot of use, but at least I would get use out of it. Because you guys know, I don't mind color at all. I'm the type of person that enjoys any color. So, okay. We're 2 out of 2 that I'm not mad at. Next up is really, no pun intended, it's the Benefit They're Real Mascara. I am not a fan of this. My sister is actually a fan of this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and give it to her. I just used my one and only one that I had in my collection. I don't like this one. It pokes me in the eye. She's going to love it. This is what it looks like. I don't like this one. It's just, it irritates my eyes. Like the actual wand is too hard and stiff for me. For my eyeballs at least, it pokes me all the time. So she's actually going to be very excited that it's a full size. So at least I know this is not going to go to waste where I don't have to find somebody for it. My sister absolutely loves it and she'll get great use out of that. So we're 2 out of 3. This I wish I didn't get. Everyone and their mom got this one too, which I think is stupid. I'm sorry. I'm gonna blatantly say it. Why are you putting this in here? This should be all luxury stuff. And I don't care about this. This is Orbe Wave and Shine Spray. Not gonna use that. Ooh, this is nice. I've never got a Sonia G brush. I always have gotten Wayne Goss the last 2 years, so I'm actually excited about this one. This is a brush that I would absolutely get use out of. And this is very nice. All right. This is nice. I am a closet lover of brushes. You should see how many brushes I have in my closet. Literally, like that's no pun intended. Like all my brushes are in my closet, but I am a secret brush lover. And this I would absolutely get use out of. So I am actually happy that I got a brush that I would genuinely use and not one that I have to find a use for because I got it in a bag. Now we have, are you kidding me? I got the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow Set in Iridescent. I haven't bought a Stila Glitter and Glow set over a year. This is in Dollish, Stylish, and Embellish. So I know I don't have these shades because I haven't bought any of these. I'm not going to be mad at this because I will get use out of this, but really, I would have preferred like an Inglot pigment or something. But all right. It's better than what I've been seeing. So, okay, we got that. I'm sure this next one is Good Molecules. Yep. This is another thing. Like, why are you tooting your own horn? I know this is like their in-house brand, but please, please. This is a toner that I don't use toner in my regimen. Like, I just feel like it's an extra step. So, this is a Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. It's vitamin C, licorice root. This might help with my dark spots. I have like a few from pregnancies that never went away. I think I have them on like this side. You guys can see it like right there. I don't care. So I'm going to try it on that just because it's here. Not because I want to, but I don't like it when brands do that. Don't toot your own horn in your box, okay? I didn't pay the $90 for you to toot your own horn. And I have a feeling this is the Anastasia Riviera. Oh no! I got the sultry. And you know what? I'm not mad at this because I genuinely love this one. I am not mad at it. This is limited edition, is no longer available. So to be honest with you, I actually don't mind having a backup of this. This is actually not bad. I know that sounds crazy. I am not a person that buys backups of anything. Nothing whatsoever. I just don't do it. It's just something I've never done. But I actually really, really like this palette. If you saw if I could only keep 10 eyeshadow palettes, this was one of the ones I chose because I just love it. So that means I don't mind using mine more often because I know I at least have another one stashed away. And I know makeup expires and I know a pile never get through it. But I'm going to feel a little bit more comfortable picking this palette to pan than I would before because I know that I never can get it again. So I'm actually not bad. I prefer that I got this one over the Riviera that most people got. So that's it, you guys. That is it. I'm not mad. I honestly expected worse. Truthfully, I'm not mad at the lipstick because I can get used out of that color. This face cream thing, whatever, gel wash looks interesting, so I will try that out. I'm really happy with this. I'm not mad at this. I wish I would have gotten something else, but I'm not mad at it because there is a purpose behind it. I don't own these, so okay, I like them. They're minis. They're not going to last as long, but they're minis. All right, I can deal with that. Not liking this. I wish they would not put mascaras into luxury boxes like this because of the fact that it's a mascara. If you're going to give me a mascara, give me one that's worth it, like the Hourglass one or Lancome one, not this. This, to me, whatever. My sister will get that. This, I'm not even going to talk about because I think this is ridiculous. You should not give me a sample size in this type of bag. And this is another thing. I don't like you tooting your own horn. Really? Don't be sending me stuff. You sent me one last year. It didn't get me to buy one from your brand. What makes you think you're going to send me another one this year is going to do that to me? No. If I'm going to use it and enjoy it, a skincare thing, I'm going to do it. Not because you're throwing it in my face. That's how I feel about this lucky bag. I know. I'm being blunt and honest. I know what I was getting myself into, so I'm not going to get all pissed off and upset that I got things that I didn't get. I am well-minded, prepared that I knew that I wasn't going to get everything that I liked. But out of everything I got, only 3 things I'm kind of upset about. And these are the 3 things right here. Other than that, the majority of it will work for me. I can make this work. I'm pretty sure I like this. The brush I like. The palette, okay. It's a limited edition one that you can't get anymore. So I'm happy that I got that one versus the Riviera. So let me know if you guys got this, what you got in yours. I know I've only seen 2 out of a lot of videos that ended up with a Natasha Denona something or a Viseart something. Other than that, most of us got what you're seeing in this video. I'm feeling like Beautylish is being a little bit steep and like tacaños, you know what I mean? Tacaños with their thing this year. I don't know. I am going to really think about it next year. As I buy less and less, I might be more interested in these because you guys know I like the surprise of it, the whole element of surprise. I enjoy that. But I'm curious because they already bumped up the price this year from last year. I think I paid $80 last year. This year, this was $90 including tax and shipping. So we'll see how much it is the following year in 2020. We'll see, you guys. We'll see. I don't know. If you guys want me to do it, I'll do it because that'll be something that I'll do as a tradition on my channel because I've done it for the last 3 years. Because I won't be buying as much, I'm more strict with myself that I don't mind splurging on one thing a year. So anyway, let me know what you guys got. I'll put more videos right over here for your enjoyment. Let me know if you did get this and what you got. Until then, bye guys.